Hello, everyone. Today is a great day. The Artemis mission launched successfully to the moon, and Cypher highlighting support became available on GitHub. Both took actually equally long, and I'm not sure which one is the actual rocket science, but I'm really happy about it. As of today, also Neo4J Workspace, including educational guides, is available for all users of AuraDB, Pro and free, and you can switch it back and forth between Workspace and the classic 3-app experience, which makes me personally really happy. And as of last week, Neo4j 5 was released, and as of today, Aura Desktop, Graph Data Science Library, and even Epoch Core and Extended will be possible and available for Neo4j 5. So great day altogether. What else happens today? Oh yes, Nodes. Welcome everyone to Nodes, our largest graph technology conference, online graph technology conference of the year. I fondly remember our team in 2019 coming together in Sweden for the very first Nodes. But back then we would have never dreamed of getting it so big and so kind of across the world into such a massive event. As a technical conference, it's very close to my heart. I'm really happy that we get so much technical content at the conference, and I'm happy that you all came here today together to learn and share and connect. So welcome all of you, and that's actually literally a graph of all the Nodes attendees and all the countries that you're coming from. And if you squint a little bit and look really closely, you might even find yourself in there as such. But it's really impressive to see so many people here. But it wouldn't have been possible with all the people helping and building this event. First of all, of course, the speakers who submitted their talks and made this really amazing content available, our community partners who helped to spread the word, and the team, the awesome team at Neo4j who helped to build all the things, dealt with the time zones, all the bits, ins and outs of the conference, and made everything possible. But of course, a conference would not be anything without the attendees. So thank you all for being here today. Nodes is happening today and tomorrow for 24 hours. So we're starting now in the US at 8 a.m. Pacific, continuing tomorrow at 8 a.m. Indian time, and then continuing for the third segment at 10 a.m. GMT for the EMEA time zone. We have in total more than 100 talks presented by 113 speakers, and more than 9,000 of you want to participate in the event, which is really amazing. And we want to make Nodes a very educational and inclusive event, so I hope we made this happen this year by being around the globe and making it available everywhere as such. In each of the 3 regions, we have 3 tracks. We have a beginner track, an intermediate, and advanced track, so it's really educational. You can pick and choose what is interesting for you, and kind of have a little bit of pre-selection of the talks, and also a lot of lightning talks spread in. Personally, I'm really happy that also Anton agreed to run a mindful meditation session in each of these regions, because I think taking care of yourself and of your mental health is really important. And so I hope that helps you also to take a breath in between. So make sure to check out his session as well. You're already seeing this now live on stage. You have the 3 stages there. After the keynote, each of the stages will start individually. And there you can also watch talks, ask questions in the chat for the speakers to answer, and you can rate also the talks in the poll. In terms of topic, we have a really broad range of topics. So when we put together the agenda, we try to make it really broad in terms of technical topics, app development, graph data science, or data science in general, use cases, deployment, DevOps, security, cybersecurity, looking at some use cases, for instance, like healthcare, or also like analytics on fraud detection and things like that. So I hope there's something for everyone, and that will make it a really good event. Of course, the main questions actually for today is, will it be recorded? Can I watch it later? Can I watch the other time zones? Will I get the slides? And yes, all of these, I can answer them all with yes. And so you don't need to worry about any of this. Just enjoy the conference, connect with the other people, and have a good day. To actually connect with the others, this platform Hopin has a really nice interaction and networking feature built in. You can basically, like in speed dating, connect with other people based on your interests that you can set up, and just exchange from 30 seconds to 3 minutes. just meet someone random, like you would do in a conference at a hallway track. Basically, connect, have a quick conversation, and part again, and then perhaps you can connect later offline or on the platform as well. So I think that's capturing something really important of in-person conferences with this networking aspect. We don't have a traditional expo with exhibitors, but we thought we'd throw in some really nice goodies. So for instance, if you want to get a second ORDV free instance, or Will's GraphQL book for free, or you want to get a chance to win a special t-shirt, this is the area where to go to the goodie bags. There's also an area where you can get tech support about your Hopin platform, so you can go there and have a video call with them, with the tech support team, and talk to them about this. I'm really, really happy that my friend, CEO and co-founder of Neo4J, Emil, agreed to answer your questions. So 3 times in the next 24 hours, he will be joined by also our longtime friend, Andreas, at the end of each section and do an AMA. So basically, there's an Ask Emil tab at the right side of your screen, and you can just put in your questions to Emil about graphs, graph databases, Neo4j in particular, or other questions that you always wanted to ask him, and knock yourselves out and ask some really good questions for Emil. During the conference, we also want to encourage everyone to share and tweet about it. And to make it more interesting, we thought we'd do a little bit of a competition. So if you're watching a talk, you like something, you learned something, please take a screenshot, tweet it out, attach a NODES2022 and live tweet to your tweet, and then you can win 30 different t-shirts or 30 special t-shirts from that as such. That's also in the goodie bag section. And now I can leave you, enjoy the conference. I hope you learn new things, meet new people, exchange with others. Don't forget to share what you've learned. And with that, I want to actually close the loop. 12 years ago, at the first Graph Connect, the author of Connected, this book here, which is really, really good, I can recommend it to everyone, gave a keynote. So James Fowler, the author of the book, gave a keynote, and it was really great. And now, 12 years later, actually, I'm really happy to have the other co-author of this book, Nicholas Christakis, give the keynote for Nodes. And I'm a big fanboy of his. He's doing a lot of social network research, how it applies to society, to humans, to diseases, to spreading fake information, all the other things. And I'm really happy to welcome Nicholas for the keynote today. And enjoy.